Hey guys, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a phone keychain. So here's what my phone keychain looks like right now. I just made this yesterday out of some beads. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this. I'm pretty sure it's called a phone keychain. I don't know if it's called something else, but yeah. I really like these things. I've actually been buying them for a while. The ones that I bought looked like this, just like this, and I had some with smiley faces, but the smiley faces rubbed off and stuff. It's pretty cute, but honestly, if you go to the store and just buy some beads, you can make your own. So like I showed you before, this is the one that's on my phone right now, and it's basically just a bunch of little dots and flowers, which I really like this one. And I also went ahead and made this one, which is pastel white and pinks. The only thing about this one is I won't be showing you guys how I made this one because I tied a knot at the very top of this, and it's kind of annoying and it shows. What you want to do is tie a knot at the bottom instead of the top, but this was the first one I made. I will still use it definitely, but for future projects of making these, I definitely won't be tying a knot at the very top of this. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a step-by-step tutorial of how I make these little phone keychains. Okay, so here's the materials that I used in this project. So you're gonna need a pair of scissors, some string. I used string with elastic inside of it. Here's some letter beads. I didn't actually use that for this project. And then I have some rainbow beads of different colors. And I bought these beads from Hobby Lobby, just if you wanted to know. So starting this project, I'm going to get out my elastic string, and I'm grabbing the light purple color. So there's not really a exact length that you need to make the string. It's just however long you want your keychain to be. If you want a shorter keychain, make your string shorter, and if you want a longer one, make it longer. So I cut mine out, and I'm just making sure it's the right length that I want. And now I'm grabbing out my beads, and I'm gonna choose what colors I want. So I ended up choosing the light purple and the off-white color together. And the main reason I did purple is because my phone case is purple, and I thought that would match really well. So I actually haven't made a keychain with smiley faces yet. So for this one, I decided to add a bunch of the little smiley face charms. One thing you want to remember when putting the beads on is that whatever the first two beads you place, they are actually going to be the top of your keychain. So just keep in mind the first two beads you place down are going to be the top, not the bottom of your keychain. So the second step basically is to just place your beads on, and just keep in mind that the bottom is actually going to be the top. So as you can see, that's why I have the little hearts faced upside down, because the top is going to be the bottom. And I know that might sound a little confusing, but it will make sense later on. So for now, just put all of the beads that you want onto the string. So now I'm just continuing to put all of the beads onto the string. So the pattern I kind of did for this is I did 2 beads of purple and then 2 beads of white. After I added all the beads on, then it was time to do the next step. So like I mentioned before, the bottom of your keychain is actually going to be the top. So what I'm doing right now is I'm splitting all of the beads from the very top, and I'm grabbing the bottom to make sure none of the beads fall off. And you see the little piece that I'm holding at the very top? That's gonna be where we can loop the keychain onto our phone. So I'm tying a knot at the very bottom here. And the reason I'm doing it at the bottom is because if you do it at the top, it's going to be shown on your keychain, and it's just gonna kind of be annoying. So tying my string, I tie it like 3, maybe 4 times because I really don't want it to come undone. So after tying that, I'm going to split my beads down the middle, and here is what we have so far. So the little loop at the top, that's going to be where we actually can put the keychain onto our phone. Now I'm grabbing another bead. It doesn't matter what bead it is, I just chose a heart, and I'm going to be shoving that into the string. The little hoop at the top, you're just going to put that into both of it. and that's gonna kind of connect your whole keychain. After doing that, you're gonna tie a knot at the very top of that bead. So go ahead and just start tying the knot. Now when I tie these knots, I always have a problem where it doesn't go down all the way. So I grabbed a pin and kind of pulled down on the knot to make sure it's right on top of the little heart bead. After doing that, I'm just going to pull it really tight to make sure it's all good and secure. And then we're going to go to the very bottom of our keychain and we're just going to snap off the little pieces of string so that's no longer showing. And that's really all there is to it. And then you're done and you have a keychain. I hope that I explained this well. It's kind of hard for me to explain what I'm doing, so I hope it wasn't too confusing for you guys. But here's the keychain that I made. I think it's super cute. I really like it, and I know it's really going to match my phone case. So just in case you guys have never had a phone keychain or don't know how to loop it into the phone, I'm going to teach you guys real quick. So I have this old phone, and the reason there's Squishmallow stickers on it is because my sister did that. But anyways, you're just going to shove that little loop into the hole, and then you're going to tuck all the rest of the beads into it. You're kind of making a knot, and then you just pull it tight and it's on there. It's not permanent at all. You can take it off whenever you want, and it looks super cute. Anyways, yeah, I think it looks super duper cute. I did want to tell you guys something real quick. As you can notice, the first keychain I made has a little bump on the very top, which is actually because I tied it at the very top. And it looks fine, but it's a bit annoying. But as you can see, the way that I taught you guys, we have no bump because we tied it at the very bottom. Anyways, I hope this helps, and yeah, let's just go back to me. Okay guys, here is what it looks like on a phone. Here is it. I really like the off-white with the purple. I think that looks super cute, and I especially love the little smiley face charms. Here is it up close with all the little smiley faces. I think it just looks super cute, and yeah, this was super fun. I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful and it helps you to be able to make a bunch of cute little phone keychains, which I'm kind of obsessed with. I've had these for such a long time, and I just love having little cute keychains on my phone. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see whenever my new videos release. If you guys have any suggestions for what you want me to do in the next video, what you want me to draw, a tutorial, something like that, put that in the comments below. I read every single one of my comments, and I love seeing what you guys write to me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!